So welcome to the channel. I've been asked a few times about putting vinyl decals on, and thought I'd make a very quick video. So priority one, if you're putting it on glass, use glass cleaner. If I'm putting it on paint, often I'll use a little bit of rubbing alcohol just to make sure the surface is free of grease and that. Your essential tools: masking tape, scraper. I like the one with the Velcro on it, scissors, and a measuring tape. So I usually put couple of dabs of tape up on the corners, and then I can level it side to side. So that's the first step after cleaning the window. So I don't need the measuring tape anymore. This is the way I find it the best. Tape it all the way across your top and your bottom. There's nothing underneath it. I didn't spray any soap, water, no nothing. This is completely dry. And this is the way I find it the best to do it. So, I don't need that. All right. So bring your piece up and get to the backing. And separate these two. Get your scissors and cut this backing completely off. And you want to kind of hold this so that it's going to naturally lay down. You don't want to fight it. Make sure you get any kinks out of it. And when I'm using the felt side, of course, I just start it in the center and start to move it outward. If you're new at this, you might want to just go a little bit slower, but all you're doing basically is pushing kind of a V pattern from the center out as you're letting it rest down. And this isn't too big of a decal. When you get into a much larger one, this is way more critical to get it right. And there you go. This one's nice and easy though. Okay, so that's the first half down. Now you got to take all your tape off. We're going to do the other half now, of course. And same thing, except for obviously flip it back. But the best thing you can do on this side is just sort of keep that backing, because it also helps to keep a straight line. And I don't know if you can tell from there, but it's got a nice curve to it. So as I start to bring this in, it also helps to keep it, there we go, on a nice even plane, so you're not fighting with it. Because if you get a kink in it, often you just can't get it out if it goes to the decal. Oh, there we go. So again, this isn't a very big decal, so it's not so bad. Okay, and I'm going to take that backing out of my way, because now I can't control it as well. And there we go. I usually just give it a little rub up along all the edges. Make sure all the edges are nice and down. And that's basically it. Only piece left. Try to keep the mask down nice and low, and then it won't grab the decal and lift it up or create any bubbles in it. And that's about all it is. It's nice and fast, nice and easy. If you do have any little tiny bubbles in it, just leave them alone. Generally what happens is the sun will heat them and they'll come right out. And you see this on the road, be sure to scan it. It'll take it right to our channel. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.